I have just created this e-commerce website in Replit. I have also created an admin panel for this website where you can add your own products. This is a fully functional e-commerce website. I can add all of these products to cart. I can go to my cart and I can see all of these products are added to my cart. Then I press on checkout and then you can simply click on pay with Stripe. I have already integrated Stripe into this project. Replit has this amazing feature where you can simply click on remix this app button and then you can simply remix, or you can say clone this website and then customize it for your own use. You won't have to build it from scratch. Link for this remix is in description. You can simply just click on that link and simply just remix this app in less than a minute. And you know the fun part? I have built this e-commerce website in this Replit app. This is a Replit app. I have just built this e-commerce website in this Replit app. You can see there is a complete source code in here. I can access this Replit agent chatbot in here. I can ask for any further customizations in here. So the whole concept is you can now build apps right on your phone. Most of the times when I'm away from my workstation, maybe traveling, maybe doing groceries, and I suddenly have an idea, I can now build that idea right inside Replit app. CEO of Replit, Amjad Masad, has just announced some updates on X. You can check it out here. Replit has also introduced this free plan. You can build up to 3 apps in this free plan. That means you can remix this e-commerce website absolutely for free. You can simply just click on the remix link in description and you can remix this app. Let's try creating an e-commerce website from scratch on Replit, and let me just show you that how easy it is to build anything on Replit. Simply just come to replit.com and you can sign up. Once you're signed in, this is how it will show you this interface. In here, now you can explain in your own words what you want to build. Let me just use my text to speech. Please create an e-commerce website for my t-shirts brand. This should be a fully functional e-commerce website. It should have a landing page, product description page, checkout pages, and any other pages that are required. Alright, so once you have done that, you can simply just click on start building, or you can simply just click on improve prompt. Let me just click on improve prompt and it will just improve our prompt. It will actually give more details, like something about core features, landing page, product catalog, shopping cart, and user account management. And also it has given some visual references and style guidelines. Now you can simply click on start building and Replit will now start building. This is how it works. You can do all of that on your mobile application as well. Now Replit agent has just suggested some extra functionalities, something like Postgres database integration, Stripe payment processing, real inventory management, order tracking, and enhanced user profile. Let's just choose some of these features from here, not all of these, because this is like the first prompt. So let's just choose just a few functionalities from here. Of course, we need SQL database, and of course we need Stripe payment processing. So let's just click on both of these, click on approve plan, and now it will actually start building it. It will actually start writing code for us. Now you can see it has created all of these files. Now it is installing dependencies. You won't have to do anything during this process. Replit is doing everything itself. When it comes to using agentic functionalities, I believe Replit agent is far more smarter than lovable.dev or Bolt.new. It has now created some and considering options. Okay, so now it has created a sort of a landing page, but still it is just making some changing. Let's just wait for it to finish that and then we can actually open our project. Alright, so it has just built this simple landing page. It has added some demo products as well. Let me just click on any of these products. Let me just click on add cart and then let me just click on checkout. Then there is an error when I click on checkout. So I'll just copy this error and then I'll just paste that error over here. Let me just press enter and now it should be able to fix that error. So this error was actually React hook error in cart page. This usually happens when we have conditional rendering that affects hook. Let me just fix the issue. So it will now fix this issue automatically. That error is fixed now and you can actually move to next step, which is adding database. Simply just click on add database here and now it will actually integrate database in here. And now you can see it is creating this Postgres SQL database. It is creating database schema as well. And now apparently that database is now set up. And now it is running that SQL query right inside your database. Now next step that you need to do, you need to simply just provide Stripe details in your project. Stripe is a payment platform. This is where you'll actually receive all of your payments. Just go to your Stripe account and sign in and then simply just click on dashboard. Right now I have just enabled this test mode to test this project. These are the 2 keys that you'll need in here from Stripe. One is publishable key and another one is secret key. Simply just click on each keys and you can just copy these keys from here. Then you can come back to Replit and provide your keys and ask Replit to integrate these Stripe keys inside your project. And that's it. Your Stripe integration will be done. And the last step is deployment. You can deploy projects on Replit with just one click. Simply just click on this deploy button and after that it will just show you these machine configurations. Simply just approve and configure build settings. You can integrate your own custom domain as well. So let's suppose you have purchased a domain name from GoDaddy or any other domain provider. You can integrate that. Then you can choose, do you want a private deployment or a public one? I just need a private deployment. Then I'll just click on deploy button. Just like that, it will automatically deploy this project and give me access to my project automatically. I am not doing anything. This is how easy it is to deploy your projects on server on Replit. And that's it. Within less than a minute, it has deployed this project and it has provided this URL as well. You can simply just click on this URL and access your website. So this is our website, and as you can see, this is your domain name. This is your project name .replit.app. But if you want to like add your own custom domain name, you can actually add that. Just go to your settings inside your deployment section. Go to your settings and then add your domain name in here. Then it will actually ask you to add some DNS record and DNS settings. You can actually add that with your domain name provider. Let's suppose you have purchased a domain name from something like Hostinger or maybe GoDaddy or any other domain name providers. You can just go to DNS and name server settings of your domain and then change name servers, and then you can actually provide the name servers that Replit will actually provide to you. And that's it. Your e-commerce website will be live. If you just want to go one step ahead and you just want to like download the source code of this project, you can simply just go to this file section, then click on these three dots and then just simply download this project as a zip. Simply just click on that and it will just download your entire project as a zip. And now you can actually extract that, open that inside Visual Studio or Cursor or wherever you want to open that. So Replit is a great AI coding agent if you are a non-technical person and you have no experience in developing softwares. Even if you're a software developer and you have a crazy idea in your mind and you just want to like start this idea, you can simply just like start building that project and maybe build a minimum viable product. Then you can just bring that project in Visual Studio or Cursor for further developments. And of course, if you're someone like me who have like crazy ideas whenever you're traveling or whenever you're like away from your workstation, and you can just build your ideas using Replit app. So this is, I think, really helpful for us. We can just like build anything while we are not even on our workstation. This is just crazy and mind-blowing, but yeah, thanks to AI. I hope you really liked this video. Please leave a comment in comment section if you have any questions. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do that. I see you next video. Bye bye.